The lesson I'm going to teach you is how to buy rental property as a long-term investment.
Rental property? You want to talk to us about buying rental property? I don't even know what that means.
Rental property is a place you buy that other people live in.
Oh, I still don't understand.
Actually, that sounds super boring, bro.
Well, it is. But no one else is teaching this valuable information. Rental property is one of the best ways to build equity.
Please, what is the equity?
Oh, you want to jump right in? Great. Equity is the amount of a property you truly own. It's the difference between your loan balance and your property's market value. If you sold your property and paid off the bank, the value of your equity is what you'd walk away with. When you build equity, you increase the net value of your asset. One way to do this is by paying off your mortgage.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Beastie's right. This sounds super boring.
Yeah! You can't make me build equity!
Those words make me feel weird.
If you will excuse me, I must rest my brain now.
Huh. Okay. I thought you guys would like to make a lot of money.
Money?
Why didn't you just say that?
I did. Equity is just another word for money.
It is also another word for the horsies.